Komprise enables you to search, find, and tag your data across buckets, regions, and accounts. To create a custom query to search for specific datasets, set filters as desired using the filter bar. For example, searching for objects last modified more than 6 months ago, and objects of type text. Komprise Deep Analytics refines the query results as each filter is added. You can view the results summary, as well as by many other dimensions to help you find that needle in the haystack. You can see the objects found by your query, or download a report with the objects listed. Once you've found the objects you're looking for, you can tag the query results. You can easily search for tagged objects using the Komprise Tags filter. This enables you to collect results of multiple queries with a common tag, say if you're searching across clouds as you build your virtual data lakes.